Hey, come on in. This is our King Corner Suite in the Westin Times Square. So first thing I'm gonna do is show you the fridge area. So this is a coffee maker. Looks like we have Starbucks coffee, which is really cool. And it's a bottle opener. Very handy. Ice maker, an ice chiller, that's what we call it. And this is the fridge with all the sensors, so I'm not gonna pull those out. And it looks like there's some peanuts there. So on the side, there's 2 extra pillows, an ironing board, an iron, and there's some robes, but they're in the other bedroom. So this is the bathroom. So it's got a really nice big mirrors, a single vanity, and this is the shower. The shower head is pretty good. The door is pretty short, but it works out pretty good. And lots of nice fluffy towels. And this is the living room area, which is really, really cool. So we have a little desk area where my wife is working. And a pretty big TV with a sound bar. And it's got a subwoofer also, which is, we haven't tried it yet. And a real plant. You usually don't see these in hotels. Sure. A real plant. Looks like it needs some help, but that's how you know it's real. So 2 chairs, couch, Nino's in there.
Do we know?
Watching YouTube. Hey.
Hello, children.
Hello.
So the cool thing about this suite is the view. I grew up in Manhattan, and it's very rare to see these kind of views. So this is really, really cool. So this is all the way on the West Side Highway.
That's Hudson Yards over there.
Hudson
Those new
Yards.
buildings.
Over there is New Jersey, and that's the Port Authority, which looks so tiny from up here. This is a dining room table. We could have some meals here if we wanted to. And just here doing some work. And it's another view of Manhattan. It's really, really cool. You can see all the way down to, I don't even know where that is. That's Central Park.
Yeah.
Also, then mentioned we're on the 45th floor, which is the top floor of the hotel. So this is the corner suite. So you have really, really good views. And this is our bedroom. This is the king size bed, TV, nice robes. Westin always has like these really nice sheets and towels. So they're all monogrammed with Westin on it. Looks really cool. And more views. So you can see. I grew up in New York and I don't even know the name of all these buildings. So there's a nice bench. Again, the sheets are really nice and soft. And 2 nightstands. There's not a lot of USBs going on here. Not a lot of ports. So
But they do have this alarm clock that has 2, so that's helpful.
That is good, but I feel like they should always have them on both sides. There's usually one or the other. So both sides, because it's like both people have tech, Also, they have reading lamps. This is cool. You just turn this over, and it goes on automatically. So this is the closet. It's just nothing fancy, but a closet. A big mirror here. Looks like this used to be like 2 closets, but they just decided to put a mirror here, which is cool. And the drawers here, regular drawers, standard drawers. Just stuff here. They soft close, which is nice. So you don't have to slam them. Big TV, a lamp. This is another view of how nice this is. So this is a 180-degree view of Manhattan. Which is really, really cool. big this room is.
Do a dance for us.
Yeah, this is a lot of space.
Yeah, really high ceilings too.
Oh yeah, I'm 6'2", so the ceilings are probably 9 feet. Yeah, probably pretty high ceilings. And yeah, that's about it. Also with this room, if you wanted, you can have 2 rooms connecting. So this is a connecting room, and this is a connecting room. So if you had both of these, that would be, I don't even, yeah, that'd be huge. You could probably fit 10 people here. Yeah, because you could fit 5, 6 people here if you wanted to. It's only 1 bathroom if you wanted to, but I'm sure each one has a bathroom, so it'll be 3 bathrooms. You fit like 7 to 10 people. So there's dual air control here. So when the girls sleep out here, they like the room, you know, not too cold. On the other hand, Carmen likes the room to be freezing cold, so we can do that. So we can make our room a little cooler, make the living room a little warmer for the girls, which is really good because, you know, everybody doesn't have the same crazy cold days like you do. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, this is a really cool suite. It's really nice.